Namaskar, myself Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravaguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on health benefits of Narikale or coconut. Coconut or nariyal is a superfood used in various forms such as coconut oil, coconut water, and coconut fruit. Each part has medicinal value as well, so every part can be used for medicinal purpose. Coconut water is sweet, refreshing, nutritive, natural beverage full of antioxidants, improves body immunity to fight infections, dehydrate and detoxify the body, etc. In Ayurveda, Narikale is dividing according to its maturity. First, tender coconut. It is a Pitta Dosha pacifier due to its sheath effect on the body. It has almost 90% water. Half mature coconut. In this stage, coconut contains less water than the tender ones. It is lighter on the metabolic system and has a soft pulp. Fully matured coconut. When a coconut becomes mature, it becomes heavy to digest and can also aggravate Pitta or Vata Dosha. This type of coconut has firm meat or pulp. If fully matured coconut is consumed in large quantities, a person might experience hyperacidity. Family of coconut is Eriaceae. English name is coconut or palm. Hindi is nariyal or gola. In Ayurvedic, it is called as narikela, langali, tung, skandafal, sadafal, tranaraj, kraj shirshak, tranaraj. There are various clinical studies done on Coccus lucifera to confirm its medicinal potential. A study shows that coconut water has analgesic and anti-inflammatory activities. Coconut water has also blood pressure lowering effect on body owing to the presence of polyphenol, chlorogenic acid, vanillic acid, and ferulic acid. It has been reported to possess protective action against aspirin and histamine-induced gastric mucosal damage and protection from ulcers. Coconut water has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, antiparasitic, anti-dermatophytic, antioxidant, hepatoprotective, immunostimulant properties. It is useful in treating metabolic disorders, cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, influenza, and other diseases that results in dehydration. It is antibacterial, antidote, astringent, antiscorbutic, antipyretic, antifebrile, febrifuge, antioxidant. It neutralizes the oxidant effect of free radicals and other substances. Anti-helmintic or antiparasitic. Expel parasitic worms or helminths and other internal parasites from the body. Aperient. It is used to relieve constipation. Aphrodisiac. Increase libido, sexual desire in both men and women. Refrigerant cooling reduces bodily heat or fever. It is diuretic. It promotes excretion of urine or agent that increase the amount of urine excreted. Demersant, relieving inflammation or irritation. Depurative, it is purifying agent. Laxative, tending to stimulate or facilitate the evacuation of the bowels. How to use the coconut? The raw coconut fruit. Take 4 to 5 pieces of coconut fruit. Chew them properly in the morning and evening. Coconut water. Drink half cup of coconut water. Take it preferably in the morning in empty stomach. Coconut milk powder. Take half to 1 teaspoon coconut milk powder. Mix with half teaspoon mishri. Have it before lunch and dinner. Coconut oil. Take 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. use it in your routine cooking. Types of coconut oil. There are two types of coconut oil. One is refined and other is virgin. Refined coconut oil is devoid of flavor and aroma of coconut. Virgin coconut oil has all the properties that coconut oil should possess. Virgin coconut oil is the purest or unrefined form of coconut oil. This oil is obtained from the fresh and mature kernel of the coconut by mechanical or natural means, with or without the use of heat, without undergoing chemical refining, bleaching, or deodorizing processes, which does not lead to the alteration of the nature of the oil. Coconut oil is edible and is used for cooking in various parts of the world. Coconut oil does not form free radical even after heating to instant temperature, thus making it a safe oil for cooking. It is very good substitute for ORS. Coconut water quenches thirst and helps to maintain electrolyte balance. It can be used as an important alternative for oral rehydration as it replenishes the electrolytes like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are lost from the body through sweat, urine, vomiting, loose motion, etc. If you have nausea, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to coconut water and drink. It is boon in pregnancy. Coconut water is beneficial in pregnancy as it contains folate. Due to richness in electrolytes, it helps to cure leg cramps. It supports healthy pregnancy. Potassium helps to manage blood pressure. It is nutritive and can be used as good substitute for other drinks as it gives energy without added sugar. For morning sickness, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to a cup of coconut water and take a sip every 15 minutes. Medicinal use of coconut is in hair loss. Coconut oil is widely used for maintaining healthy hair and preventing hair fall. This is because hair fall is mainly due to an aggravated Vata Dosha in the body. Coconut oil acts on hair fall by balancing Vata Dosha. It also promotes new hair growth because of its cassia or promotes hair growth property. In dandruff, according to Ayurveda, dandruff is a condition marked by flecks of dry skin on the scalp, which may be attributed to an aggravated Vata and Pitta dosha. Applying coconut oil helps to balance Vata Pitta and remove dead cells or dryness due to its distinct property. This helps control dandruff. In psoriasis, psoriasis is a common chronic autoimmune disease that causes dry, red, scaly patches and flaks on the skin. Coconut oil is useful in psoriasis as it removes dryness and helps in quick healing of scaly patches. This is due to its snigdh and ropon properties. In eczema, eczema is a skin condition that makes the skin rough, blistered, inflamed, and itchy. Applying coconut oil on the affected area helps to control excessive itching and promotes the healing process. This is due to its open or healing property. For glowing skin, coconut oil helps to keep skin glowing when applied on the skin on a daily basis. This is because coconut oil has a snake property. It removes excessive dryness and control fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut oil also removes dead skin and helps in skin regeneration due to its rasayan or rejuvenating nature. Thanks for share your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thanks once again.